Let's talk about adding and subtracting decimals. First, line up the decimal points, then adding zeros to fill empty spaces. Add or subtract the numbers depending on the sign, then bring down the decimal point in the answer. Let's look at this example. 1 34/100 plus 2 6/10. First, we line up the decimal points, then we add 0 to fill in the empty space. 4 plus 0 is 4, 3 plus 6 is 9, 1 plus 2 is 3. Bring down the decimal point. The answer is 3 94/100. Let's look at this example. 2 6/10 minus 1 34/100. First, we line up the decimal points, then we add 0 to fill in the empty space. We can't subtract 4 from 0, so we must borrow. 10 minus 4 is 6. 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. Bring down the decimal point. The answer is 1 26/100. Let's solve. Let's talk about multiplying decimals. First, line up the numbers just like whole numbers and then multiply. Next, count the decimal places in each number. Finally, move the decimal point that same number of places to the left. Let's look at this example. 1 63/100 times 4 8/10. First, you line up the numbers, then multiply. Next, we're going to count the decimal places in each number. There are 2 decimal places in 1 63/100. There is 1 decimal place in 4 8/10. 2 plus 1 is 3. You must move the decimal point 3 places to the left. The answer is 7 824 thousandths. Pause the video to solve each problem. Let's talk about dividing decimals. Use these steps when divisors are decimals. First, set up the problem just like normal division. Move the divisor decimal to the right until the divisor is a whole number. Then move the dividend decimal that same number of places to the right. Next, put the decimal point in the answer right above the dividend decimal. Finally, rewrite the problem and divide like normal. Let's look at this example. 6 4/10 divided by 4/10. You set up the problem just like normal division. You look at the divisor. Change it to a whole number by moving the decimal point 1 place to the right. What you do for the divisor, you must do for the dividend. So move the decimal point 1 place to the right for the dividend. Put the decimal in the answer right above the dividend decimal. Rewrite the problem as 64 divided by 4. The answer is 16. You do not have to put a decimal in the answer because the answer is a whole number. Pause the video to solve the problem. Thanks for watching. Remember to shine bright. Happy learning.